Good day, everybody. Today is June 16th, Thursday, Eastern Standard Time. It is 3:30 p.m. So here we are looking at good old Yahoo Finance. You see everything's down deep since this Federal Reserve interest rate hike of 75 basis points. It has major impact. Now, this is how things should work. Gold should be going up, okay? So I imagine that's because it's an extreme move for the Fed. So that's why gold is up. Oh, let me just go over to the screen here. So yeah, gold is up. Everything's down here in the U.S. indices. Oil is up. Let's see what else is going on. Forex, blah, blah, blah. There's some spikes in certain currency pairs. But I'll talk about, well, right now, as you know, most of the portfolio or trading baskets that I show are mostly from currencies, okay? But they do not include these bad ones like US dollar, USD. Sometimes you can get okay with Australia or New Zealand sometimes, but Euro's bad, the British pound's bad, Canadian dollar pound or Canadian dollar's bad. But yet there's still some good currencies that you can invest with that does well. So that's what I'm going to show you. Now, going in the world of crypto, you can see how badly hit this is getting for both Bitcoin and the 200, CMC 200. The FTSE's down from last night, and the Nikkei's up slightly. All right, so let's go over to the tear sheet here. Here's another trading basket. This one's not as volatile as the other ones, but they don't perform as well. Now, a lot of people will not believe that. That's up to you. I'm not going to hold it against you. But here's the Sharpe ratio, which is still above 2, which is very strong. This one's not as strong as some of the other trading baskets that I've shown you. But at 2.4, that's pretty good. Okay? But the volatility, if you're concerned about it, you can still do well. Look at the standard benchmark here, which is a S&P 500. It's tanking like a cement truck. Also, you can see here the strategy, the trading basket, just killing it. Now, the other thing I like to look at are the monthly returns. Right here. Okay, so this started to take off starting as usual beginning of the year. Okay, now again, these are hot capital. This is where hot capital is flowing to and into that no one talks about. Okay, you're not going to get this sort of stuff on CNBC or Bloomberg because they don't want you basically not to know about this. So the last year, since June, we have two negative drawdowns here, and this one's not so bad at 8.65. Oh, I'm sorry, 15 point right here in November. But what do you care? If you started putting this into December till now, you would have done well. Now today's the 16th, right? So this June return so far, halfway through the year, or halfway through the month, you could be over 30% monthly return, whereas in April it was 25%. So this trading basket is performing very well. Now, as I keep saying, let's talk about solutions here. What do we do? All right, so we have our quantlabs.net banking. I will have to change this. There is so that I did post that is going to affect this, okay? Which is they're going to start clamping down and actually making it very difficult to put money into Monero, okay? So that's going to be a problem. I don't know what to tell you there. That's just the government. You know what? Words I cannot say, all right? So anyways, just fill out your info here. You'll keep up to date there. Also, let me just show you the shop. So if you want to know what I've got, what I would recommend, go to quantlabs.shop and go under here, Quant Analytics. I have a monthly option now. Right here, monthly billing, it's $47 per month right now. So just to get these, I can make it daily picks. I've been generating these trading baskets for the last 6 months. I've not yet had one trading basket be below a Sharpe ratio of 2. So if that was the case, you can circumvent inflation, you can circumvent your your inflation and negative returns if you're stuck in the world of bonds. Okay, when you look at the bonds, let me just see if I can find it here. 10 bonds right there. So if you're in bonds thinking that you will have a way out, think again. Negative 2.59. So if you have a financial advisor telling you a mandate that can only do stocks and bonds, you're going to get crushed on both sides. So their safety trade is not working because it's breaking down. Wham, cry me a river, right? So if you want to know how to circumvent this, now this basket I'm showing you does not include gold, does not include oil, it's currencies. Good ones, mainstream ones that you can trade right now. Okay, so your best bet is to go over here. As I said, I'll put the link in the description to get the monthly offer. Okay, this will go up as this gets more pricey. I'm going to leave it at that, and we shall talk to you later. Have a good day.